As part of being able to resume in-car lessons, we have developed new safety and cleaning protocols that will be completed between each lesson. Each morning, every instructor must conduct a self-assessment. After each student, the car will be sanitized for the safety of both the instructor and the next student. The instructor will sanitize all high-touch areas with a DIN-approved cleaning solution. It takes 5 minutes for the cleaner to dry and the sanitization process to be complete. During that time, the instructor will greet the next student, perform a visual mask check, and ask the COVID-19 assessment questions. If the student fails to bring their own face mask, the lesson will be canceled. If the student does not pass the assessment, the lesson will be canceled. Please do not attend your lesson if you are feeling unwell. If the student is ready, the instructor will provide them with hand sanitizer before getting in the car. After completing a circle check, the sanitization process should be complete and the lesson can begin. Having these new protocols in place will allow us to minimize the risk of COVID-19 for both our students and driving instructors. During these uncertain times, we need to work together to stay safe and drive collision-free.